Did you know that over 30% of adults worldwide suffer from toxin buildup in their liver, leading to chronic fatigue, brain fog, and even serious conditions like cirrhosis? These aren't just numbers, they're a warning sign from your body. But in just 7 days, you can revitalize your liver and reclaim your energy with 5 powerful science-backed foods. Hi, I'm Dr. Marcus Holliday. Today, I'll reveal these superfoods for liver detox. Number 3, it'll surprise you. It's something you might enjoy daily. Stick with me because this information will change how you think about your health. Let's start our countdown with number 5, garlic. This pungent little bulb is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a potent detoxification tool. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, which is released when you chop or crush it. Allicin, along with another nutrient in garlic called selenium, helps activate liver enzymes that are responsible for flushing out toxins from your body. Think of them as the managers who tell the cleanup crew it's time to get to work. Adding just 1 or 2 cloves of fresh crushed garlic to your daily meals can make a significant impact. As reported in the journal Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine, studies have highlighted its protective effects. According to a study published in their pages, garlic and its organosulfur components have been shown to be effective in the detoxification of chemical carcinogens and to have antioxidant effects. Moving on to number 4, we have the golden spice, turmeric. This vibrant root has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps protect your liver cells from damage and supports the regeneration of new healthy cells. Curcumin also assists the liver by boosting the production of bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating waste. A little sprinkle in your morning smoothie, a warm cup of golden milk before bed, or adding it to your soups and stews is a fantastic way to harness its benefits. Just remember to add a pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, to dramatically increase your body's ability to absorb the curcumin. Now, it's time for the one you've been waiting for. Number 3 on our list is something many of us enjoy every single day, often with a little bit of guilt. Are you ready for it? The food that can dramatically help detoxify your liver is coffee. Yes, you heard that right. For years, coffee has had a complicated reputation, but when it comes to liver health, the science is becoming incredibly clear. It's not about the caffeine buzz, it's about the rich concentration of antioxidants and beneficial compounds found in the coffee beans themselves. These compounds appear to have a powerfully protective effect on liver cells. Regular, moderate consumption of black coffee has been linked to a lower risk of developing various liver conditions, including fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. It works by helping to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver and increasing protective antioxidant levels. According to a study published in the World Journal of Hepatology, coffee's benefits are significant. As the paper reports, epidemiological studies have consistently shown that coffee consumption is associated with a reduced risk of developing chronic liver disease and hepatocellular carcinoma. The mechanisms by which coffee exerts its protective effects are complex and include antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antifibrotic properties. So, that morning cup isn't just a pick-me-up, it's a shield for your liver. Coming in at a very close number 2 is a family of vegetables that are true detoxification champions, cruciferous vegetables. This includes powerhouse greens like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts. What makes them so special for your liver? They are packed with compounds called glucosinolates. When you chop or chew these vegetables, the glucosinolates are converted into other active compounds, most notably sulforaphane, which works wonders for your liver. Think of your liver's detoxification process as a two-phase operation. Sulforaphane and other related compounds help to ramp up both phases, essentially making your liver a more efficient cleaning machine. They help neutralize harmful toxins and then help your body package them up to be escorted out. Steaming or lightly sautéing them is a great way to preserve these precious nutrients. Incorporating a serving of these vegetables into your daily diet provides your liver with the raw materials it needs to perform its critical detoxification duties. Based on a paper released by the National Cancer Institute, the role of these vegetables is well documented. Their research states, isothiocyanates, which are derived from the glucosinolates found in cruciferous vegetables, have been shown to induce phase 2 enzymes, which are involved in the detoxification of carcinogens. And now we've arrived at number 1. While every food on this list is a potent ally, the top spot goes to a category that is the absolute foundation of a healthy liver: dark leafy greens. I'm talking about spinach, kale, arugula, dandelion greens, and chard. These greens are nature's ultimate purifiers, and their power lies in one of their most abundant components, chlorophyll. This is the pigment that gives plants their vibrant green color, and it does something remarkable inside your body. Chlorophyll has the ability to bind to heavy metals and other dangerous toxins that can build up in your liver, helping to neutralize them and escort them safely out of your system. Think of it as a natural magnet for all the junk you don't want. Furthermore, these greens are loaded with antioxidants and bitter compounds that stimulate bile flow, which, as we've learned, is crucial for breaking down fats and keeping your liver from becoming sluggish and fatty. Whether you toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or lightly wilt them as a side dish, making dark leafy greens a daily staple is the single most impactful dietary change you can make for your liver's long-term health. According to a study published in the peer-reviewed journal Molecules, the protective potential of chlorophyll is significant. The research states, chlorophyll and its derivatives are able to form tight molecular complexes with procarcinogens, such as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons from tobacco smoke and heterocyclic amines from cooked meat, and may interfere with their absorption from the gut, reducing their bioavailability. It's truly incredible to think about the power that lies in these simple, everyday foods. From the pungent kick of a garlic clove to a surprising cup of coffee, the vibrant glow of turmeric, and the deep cleansing power of greens, you have an entire arsenal of tools right in your kitchen to support your body's most vital organ. It's not about embarking on some extreme restrictive cleanse. It's about consciously choosing to add these nourishing foods to your plate one meal at a time. Remember that feeling of being weighed down, foggy, and tired? By giving your liver what it needs, you are taking a direct step toward reclaiming your energy, clearing your mind, and feeling lighter and more vibrant. Small, consistent changes are what create lasting health. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these liver-loving foods is your favorite? Or were you completely surprised by number 3? Sharing your journey can inspire someone else to start theirs. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It truly helps more people discover this important message. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can join our community and never miss out on our latest tips for living your healthiest life. Here's to your health and vitality, no matter your age.